is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're doing DigDat 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐶𝐓. We're doing DigDat 𝐉𝐀𝐉𝐻. So, guys, the lighter is here. The lighter is here. But before you do anything else, do one thing for me now. Okay, now that is done, now that is finished, now that is finito, let's jump straight to that one and see what is going on, man. We're going to pause every 10 seconds. That's the rule because we break down the lyrics over here. We break down the lyrics. Let's go. Big up DigDat. So hold on. As the video start, crime happen. As the video start, the man in the pan crime scene. Something alright, yeah? Something wrong.
Well, my 𝐉𝐀𝐉𝐻𝐿 dance when the lights off, all this drip, but I'm still on my night top.
Huh? Huh? What? What am say?
Well, my 𝐉𝐉𝐻𝐿 dance when the lights off, all this drip, but I'm still on my night top. £100,000 on my neck, then vets can go ask Icebox.
Man say even when the light off, him thing still bright. Him thing still a shine. You know? Him still casually walking around in a night top. I still the same DigDat. I still the same me from the little youth from, you know? Yeah. 100,000 per my neck. When I say 100,000, I don't mean 100,000 Jamaican dollar. I mean 100,000 pounds sterling on my neck.
It's your boy Real Rich.
And a joke drip. This a drip like Duns River Falls. Let's go.
20,000 on rings. Niggas don't do these things. Don't put 8 in my mouth, so the leng ones love when I grin.
Big up Suave Production. The man say, yo, 20,000 pound rings. Brother, that is a deposit for your house. That is a deposit for your house. Me a rape on my pinky finger. The man have him grill them. The man say, yo, the bad bitches them love when I grin. The hot girl them love when I grin. The leng one them love when I grin. The man ice out. The man ice. The man who touch a girl and freeze her. Bomba, let's go.
But thing in the ends when I ride or die, so I let her be my ROD. No way can I get cuffed, she's rub, was taken, I can't all take it. On a 3002 up, one hop off and rev that pen. I'm trying to lick shots like Lippy, you better not trippy and end up red.
I'm trying to lick shot like I'm trying to hit shot like
one hop off and rev that pen. I'm trying to lick shots like Lippy, you better not trippy and end up red.
Who is Lippy? Who is Lippy? I'm trying to lick shot like Licky. You better not trip and end up red. Bed. I mean, when you bleed, if you wear a white top, when you bleed, it turn red. You see me? When you get shot. But who's Lippy? Someone leave in the comment section who Lippy is. I don't know where I refer to this, so I can't break that part there.
Dead. Whip white in the kitchen, stare at the gas go blue. Or I might do it on a digital stove. We still got new bill bandos too.
Man say, yo, how me get my 20 grand pan and 100,000 round neck. Me still a whip white in the kitchen. Me still a sell crap. Me still up on the road and do my thing. You see me? Me still a whip it. You want me to whip it on a electrical store, me still can do it. And we still are investing in more bando, more trap house. We still have more trap house out here. We're still doing it over our side. What is you doing over your side? That is what DigDat saying, not me. So officer, do not look at my channel and see me on the road and try to search me car and think to me I sell drugs. No, I am not. So let's go.
I got a new thing, send her new things. FaceTime me when she stands in the queue.
Huh?
Still got new bill bandos too. I got a new thing, send her new things. FaceTime me when she stands in the queue.
You have a new thing, send him a new thing. FaceTime bando when I stand in the queue. The part they can have me. You know what I mean?
That's +44 on my cool log, and I got a big 44 with a bulldog.
Woof. Woof, woof, woof. Man, yo. +449 call log. I have the big bull. I have the big magnum. I have the big 44 with the bulldog. So you know, say yo, the bulldog are the thing them to bite. They shot them. And the 44 the Maggie. Woo! Bars.
I got 38 off the Marlies for a change, then take no hours. Huh? Big big 4-4 with a
okay.
Got 38 off the Marlies. For a change, didn't take no hours. Like,
I got 38 from the Marleys. Not the Marley brothers, not Bob Marley's and him son them. Not Ziggy Marley and the Somalis, the Somali. 38 from them. If him take 38 from them, does him rob them?
and I got a big 4-4 with a bulldog. Got 38 off the Marlies. For a change, didn't take no hours. See a Rari stamp on a Brizzy. If you got the belly, we're doing up miles.
He's speaking in so much terms that we don't know what I'm talking about. We don't know what I'm talking about, but this song have a vibe to it. Like he must stunt on the haters them. He's stunting pa uno guys. He must stunt on the haters. He must say, I'm still there, do it.
Had all these papers filed, CPS, remember days on trial. I got love for my ting in Lambert, little cocoa butter and brown.
Him say him still remember basically one time made up on trial, cause I think him in prison though. Him in prison for a good look a while. And him still have love for the thing out in a Lambert. Lambert I want place in England somewhere. I'm not sure Lambert there. But yeah, him still have love for that brown thing them. I don't know. Cause I can get a youth with her or something. I don't know.
Little cocoa butter and brown. Thought I'm a baby boy till I back that baby 9 days skiing. Can't sleep here bites all night in the hood, got eyes at my window praying.
So basically him can't sleep, him paranoid because when you're up on the road of certain things, after a while you're gonna get paranoid. Even when anything is not like that, you're gonna get paranoid. Even when you see like a unknown registration car park up on your road up near your house, you're gonna get paranoid. Paranoid. It's a hell of a thing.
So I might just load up the dinger, slap 3 flat heads in a spinner. Draw outs way too much, so I might go cool off everyone's inner.
So it basically must say if him feel paranoid, he might go load up him thing, you know, him fire stick and just let off couple shots. A prison rate that thing, brother. What you do? Then he say something else after that. Me not get everything what he must say, dog. A certified Englishman, can you please break down for me? Cause like that track can't break me down, dog.
Slap 3 flat heads in a spinner. Draw outs way too much, so I might go cool off everyone's inner. Like I'm trying to fly into Milan. I got a big business plan.
I'm not local anymore. I'm trying to fly out. I'm trying to go rich for me need to go. More and go Milan. Me have to reach a Milan. Me have some business plan out there where need to take that need to sort out. With any means necessary, me have to reach out there. That's what the boss said, not me.
I came out of jail, no CV, want TT, I got Instagrams.
Bars. I came out of jail with no CV. Me never have a job in my adult life yet. Me don't have a CV to put on it. From my left school, it's been the road thing. You see me? Right now, me have instant grams. Not Instagram, you know. Instant grams. People, I'm ready to break down now. Let's go, DigDat. Breaking down.
P.O. said I'm not serious, need experience, search for jobs. But I don't want to stack no shelves. OT's only time I'm setting up shop.
Me not work for nobody. Me not working in a shop or stack no shelf. Big up the people who stack shelf in a shop. It is still a job. I'm not knocking your hustle, I promise you. Big up the people them who do them thing. But my thing is not to work in a shop. My thing is to make the cheddar. My thing is to make the bing bing. My thing is to make the moolah. And the only way me know to make the moolah up on the road with my grams. Not my Instagrams, you know, my grams. I work for nobody. I eat at my own boss. Right? Don't do that.
Cock it, one in the head that's locked away. I swear if this one here beats, he's gonna need more than Dr. Dre.
Woo! Fire him. The man say, yo, cock it, one on the head. Select it, one on the head. See? If this go off, if this shot your boss, I'm gonna need a bigger doctor than Dr. J. Dr. J can't help you. Dr. J is not a real doctor. Dr. J is a doctor when it comes to beats. You're gonna need a doctor. You're gonna need doc. You're gonna need surgery, brother. If you're lucky. Wow!
My jeweler did it. That's 80 racks to fill it. I ain't been broke in a minute. No. Man still see ups and spin it.
I ain't been broke in a minute. My jeweler did it. My jeweler, look how me ice out. Look how me ice out. Look how me ice out. Me still see me ups and spin it pan them. I want to know. Not because I'm not famous now. Me still I do. Everyone around put me in. The life I choose, I have to go and I have to continue. I can't stop now. I'm a bad boy. Know that.
I speak this thing, no radio. I'm trying to let it rinse out your hot. Man shot straight, got magic. And they want to know the price on dock.
What?
I ain't been broke in a minute. No. Man still see ups and spin it. I speak this thing, no radio. I'm trying to let it rinse out your hot.
Should I get rings on the up? Much I get rings on the up? The part that go over my head, I know.
Man shot straight, got magic. And they want to know the price on dock.
Man got straight up magic. Magic are the thing where you put it on the Diet Coke. I say Diet Coke because YouTube. Magic are the thing where you put in a yeah. Magic are the thing where you put in a sniff. If you cook it up, if you make it become hard up, make it become crack, make it become, you know? Don't ask me, I know. Me know. What I'm doing now.
When you hear that they got touched, no, it defo was my dogs. Might pedal round on my bike, but I've been putting skanks in cars.
Aye, when I hear say them boy over there to get gunshot, me 110% sure say me and my dogs them do that. Try know that. Who don't know that no born yet? Me go pedal around on my bicycle. Approach them with caution. With me long thing in my right hand. Approach them, me a ride, pedal bicycle. Boom, couple alley, boom. You see me? Me a go place where car can't go up on my bicycle, you know. Remember that, you know. Shot it through couple park, you know. You see me? Shot it over a couple of footbridge, you know. Me gone up on, hey, step on them where the enemy is necessary. But don't get it twisted. Me still have my fire stick in my car. Me not go get caught slipping like somehow, no. That's what the man said, not me.
Try run a boy down with a shit, he would've got caught, but I need more breath. Did enough chips on a circle when I was young, it was G4S.
The man say, man say, I'm trying to run now when I'm absent, but him could have get caught, but him out of breath, him have asthma, him short of breath. Me not run it down, me have asthma. Can't run it down. Still that, oh no. Alright, go on, next time I go catch you. When time I catch you, try and know some I go tab you up. That's what the man said, not me. Him say something about G4S. G4S is a security company in England where we have enough contracts with secure a lot of places. Let's go.
He would have got caught, but I need more breath. Did enough chips on a circle when I was young, it was G4S.
I refer to G4S. I not quite understand what I'm saying. What I mean there, sir. I not quite understand what I mean. Because like I said, G4S is a security company.
I was in jail as a young boy. I should have been out trying to squeeze some breasts.
I was in jail as a young boy. I should have been out trying to squeeze some breasts. I know so that you to go to prison. If me not wrong, I think him got prison when I'm 13. If me not wrong, I think he got prison when I'm 13. But prison, enough a young boy like myself, yeah. Prison, me fi out there, I squeeze up the girl them titties, the girl them breasts. Me not touch them pan them punani, because me not Donald Trump, unless them tell me if touch them pan them punani. Grab her by the pussy. That is what Donald Trump did. Let's go.
Smoking Cali in the daytime, might shout blacks like I need more cess. All my VVs dance when the lights off, all the strip, but I'm still on my night top.
Smoking Cali in the daytime. Cali are the weed where come from California, where we go to England. You see me? Me still in there. And then in back now with the chorus.
£1,000 on my neck, they're vexed, can go ask Icebox. 20,000 on rings, niggas don't do these things. Don't put 8 in my mouth, so the leng ones love when I grin.
Me like the fact say him have him son in the video. Like the fact say, if at that time son, which I believe so, because him son have a big ratted chain too, you know. Big up the father them we look out for them youth, you see it?
Got drillers round me, make sure I keep for my brothers near. This dot long like a pram, if I let a bus, will his mother care?
Huh? What long like a pram? First of all, him say big up all of the shatters them run him dogs them run him friend them run him, still keep them close. Cause you don't know I'm G them then I'm bridging them there, you see it? But there's something about pram now.
Make sure I keep for my brothers near. This dot long like a pram, if I let a bus, will his mother care?
This that long like a pram, if I make it bust, will his mother care? Yo.
Got hella long shells and short ones, man got corn same size as a bottom.
Me have hella long shells, me have some long shells, me have some extra long cartridges, so you know say shells gonna have shotgun. So I have some short one too. You pick which one you want. Which one you want to feel? Eh? You want to feel the long steel out of the pipe? Or you want to feel the short fat one them with a boom but left hole in the yard? That you want to feel better?
One and a friend made more calm G than I'm speeding off in a sports one. Flashed out budget before I did raps, I didn't know what I do to the beat. Like way before I got that date, just man took trips on a Jubilee.
Dig that. You're talking of some parables, you're talking of some code, my G, where you have to hardcore in the streets to understand what I say.
12 bills on my Chanel kicks. This trip just turned to a habit. Got a real dead fur on my jacket. This probably came from a bird or rabbit.
Basically, my explaining now him dress code, him Chanel kicks, it's outstanding. It is outstanding because it stand out. You understand what I say? Him jacket, him have fur on him jacket. Real life fur on him jacket. This is not made in China fur. This is not made in Hong Kong fur. This is real fur. Come from a rabbit or a bird. That the man has said, yo, let's go again.
This trip just turned to a habit. Got a real dead fur on my jacket. This probably came from a bird or rabbit. Brody reverse and slap it. Did 99 days on basic.
99 days on basic. Him going back a prison, you know? Him talk about prison, you know?
I bet them boy would hack it. Like cowboy, I know that they envy. So I just pray that my nice not bendy.
Oh, he's stunting on them. He's literally stunting on these guys out here. He is literally stunting. He must stunt. Bad man out and stunting.
Tap will enter my Snapchat. Love struck fat. It's mad what she sent me. All my VVs dance when I laugh.
So one girl enter him Snapchat and send him something he couldn't resist. You see me? The buff, the glimity, the that the girl send him now. That the girl send him. Let's go.
All my VVs dance when the lights off. All this strip, but I'm still on my neck top. £100,000 on my neck. Their vets can go us icebox.
So it's a nice song. DigDat are doing thing. The song I get well heap of views also. So obviously is a very popular artist in the UK. DigDat, big up yourself. Me JJ. You do your thing with JJ. Like it, man.
20,000 on rings. Niggas don't do these things. Don't put 8 in my mouth. So the leng ones love when I grin. I salt right out. Look at one teeth, them brother. Yo, quick summary about the song. The song it's got a nice vibe to it, but that wasn't my best breakdown. That was not my best breakdown because I never get every bars or most of the bars. Where I must say 90% of the bars normally I would get from a song, but I didn't get everything from the song. Yeah. I got about 60% of it, because a lot of it go over my head. So if you miss any bars where Uno can help me with, please leave it in the comment section. Tell me what I'm saying and then tell me what it means. That would mean a lot to me. You understand? For future reference. Remember, say this UK music thing is new to me. So me out here I try to entertain you, but don't have to help me out as well. You understand? So guys, if you like the video, I want to see more, please be a member of the channel by subscribing. You know? We are now monetized, so big up YouTube for say the work I put in. Big up Uno for help me get monetized, get me watch hours up and the subscribers. Alright? So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Stay safe. If you can be good, be lucky. If you haven't got to say, don't say nothing. Peace.